Good morning to all. My name is M. Nithyasri. I am in class 3rd standard. Now I am going to speak about our Honorable Leader Kamarajar. Kamarajar is one of the most popular person in Tamil Nadu. He was born on 15 July 1903 in Virudunagar of Tamil Nadu. His father name was Kumarasamy and his mother name was Sivagami. From his childhood, Kamarajar actively participated in Indian freedom struggle. He was imprisoned several times by the British. Kamarajar entered politics and joined Indian National Congress Party at the age of 17. In 1951, Kamarajar contested and won as a Lok Sabha member. In 1954, Kamarajar was elected as the Chief Minister of State. He was as the Chief Minister of Madras State. As the Chief Minister, he introduced free education, free midday meal chain, developed agriculture, introduced free education. Many more. Thank you.